Hey guys, how's it going today? Just wanted to bring you a quick little tool to maybe help you keep your truck clean on the inside. I know for me, it's very difficult to remember to actually do it, but for me the main thing is actually wiping down the windshield, on the inside, as well as the front windows here on the sides. But this front windshield is just horrible, to be honest with you. And so quite a while ago I bought a tool to be able to help me keep things clean, to be able to do this properly. I've done it a couple times since. I've been very happy with the results. What it is basically just a wand. This thing is flexible. It can, all the way across there, right here. Let me pull this off here. It comes with 2 microfiber cloths to be able to do that. I've only got one off right now. You just get it wet. They do have some stuff to be able to help it clean everything, but there's 2. Has a little bag with a zipper on it, and a little string here to hold it. And essentially what you do, obviously I'm just gonna demonstrate not actually doing it, but basically just going like this, across your window. But the main purpose for why I bought this was for the actual front windshield. Being able to get down in here with enough arm strength, because if you don't have this, you're either going upside down or like breaking your wrist trying to do it. There's really no good way to clean your front window here. So this provides you with the ability to actually get down all the way across, to get up in the cracks all the way. And it's just been very helpful to me for getting my windows actually cleaned up. Like I said, I've only done this a couple times. I've been very happy being able to get this, because between me and my dog and crazy people out on the road, when I'm driving and liquids could be flying, dog hair could be flying, it can be a little crazy in the truck. So anyways, this is the Reach and Clean tool, invisible glass. So essentially you can pick this up on Amazon. It's like 20 bucks. They have different versions of it. This little part right here is what allows it to disconnect. So this part can disconnect right here, and then it unscrews here as well to be able to take off the handle for it to actually fit inside this bag. And then this unscrews there if you needed to be able to tear it down. And then also, let's say you've got a much larger truck, you're trying to get to other windows. This back part that could be used, to hang it or to tie something to it, this unscrews as well to be able to add a full regular standard size extension for a mop or any type of thing like that. So this comes completely off as well, like that. There we go. And you could just simply get that extended. So boom, there you go. This little padding helps to keep the actual material on here, so when you're actually doing it, it's not going to just fly off or come off. Obviously I just used it, so it's a little dirty, but that was on my windows. I've washed this a couple times, wrung it out a little bit, still damp, but basically able to get my windows as squeaky clean as possible. So anyways, that's what I wanted to share with you today. Quick little video. I definitely was way overdue for doing it for my truck. I'm out here sweating my butt off here, but I wanted to bring this video to you. So if this was a help, go check the description down below, pick this up. I think you can also get it at Menards, probably the same price, but Amazon 2-day shipping. They have different versions, they have different kits for it. 15, 20, 30 bucks maybe at the most. Seriously, to be able to actually have this and to get down in there without breaking your hand and getting across. Honestly, before I bought this, in the last 5 years, maybe you're better than I am cleaning and keeping things up to date, but honestly, very, very rarely did I ever actually clean my windshield. So anyways, hopefully you do better than I do. Hopefully this has helped you. So have a great day, stay safe guys, and God bless.